Hi friends, welcome to TechBlog. And in this video, we will show you how to install and configure the Apache Tomcat 9 on Ubuntu 18.0 for LTS, Bionic Beaver. We will also learn how to install Java on Ubuntu, configure a user for Apache Tomcat, and run the Apache Tomcat as a systemed service. Apache Tomcat, often referred to as Tomcat Server, is an open-source Java servlet container, developed by the Apache Software Foundation. Tomcat implements several Java Enterprise Edition specifications, including Java Servlet, Java Server Pages, Java EL, and WebSocket, and provides a pure Java, HTTP web server environment in which Java code can run. Tomcat is developed and maintained by an open community of developers, under the auspices of the Apache Software Foundation. Tomcat started off in November 1998, as a servlet reference implementation by James Duncan Davidson, a software architect at Sun Microsystems. He later makes the project open source and played a key role in its donation, by Sun Microsystems, to the Apache Software Foundation. The Apache Ant Software Builds automation tool was developed, as a side effect of the creation of Tomcat as an open source project. So, let's go to terminal and install a few prerequisite packages in our system. Software Properties Common. This software provides an abstraction of the used apt repositories. It allows you to easily manage your distribution and independent software, vendor software sources. In practice, that means it provides some useful scripts for adding and removing PPRS. Without it, you would need to add and remove repositories, such as PPRS, manually by editing source lists. Now add the Java Web Update Team repository using the add apt repository command. Now install the Java by using the apt command. Oracle Java 8 installer comes under Oracle Binary Code License, so you must have to agree the license terms. Go ahead and hit OK, then yes. Now it starts downloading the JDK, its size around 182 MB and take time, depending upon your internet speed. Now you can see your Java version, using command java-version. Step 2. Configure Java environment. Now you have to edit your environment file and specify your Java home directory. Now edit the bashroot file, using the following command, and add the Java home path. Bashroot is a shell script that bash runs whenever it is started interactively. It initializes an interactive shell session. You can put any command in that file that you could type at the command prompt. Save and exit from the editor. Now reload the bashroot using source command as follows. The source command can be used to load any functions file into the current shell script, or a command prompt. Now you can echo the Java home variable globally. Step 3: Installing Apache Tomcat. So, go ahead and follow the command. First, we have to create a group. You can use your naming conversion. I am using the name Tomcat. Also, create a user. I am using the name Tomcat 2. Now go to directory apt and download the Apache Tomcat from apache.org using wget command. You can find the link on apache.org. Go to web browser and open apache.org. Under the project menu, find the project Tomcat. Here you can see the tar.gz file for Apache Tomcat. You should use the sudo command first. Now downloading the Apache Tomcat tar.gz file. Now you have to extract the file in opt directory. By the way, you can choose your own directory system for installing Apache Tomcat. In my case, I am using opt directory. Now move the whole directory under Tomcat directory. Now you have to change ownership of Tomcat directory to the Tomcat user and group. -R indicates the recursive LE under the subdirectory. Also, give the execute permission to the bin directory under the Tomcat, because all shell script is there. Now again open the bashrock file, and put the following line, Catalina Home. Catalina Home indicates the directory where you have unzipped the Tomcat. It is necessary because a lot of the files Tomcat will use are referred to from the variable Catalina_home. Now again source the bashrock. Now you can be able to view the Catalina Home path, using echo the Catalina Home variable. Now it's time to start the Tomcat. Go to the bin directory, and find the file startup, and run the file. Yup, it started Tomcat. Get back to your browser and check using localhost at port 8080. Because Tomcat runs by default 8080 port. Also, you can access your Tomcat and your local environment using the host IP address. Step 4: configure Apache Tomcat as a service. For run and stop the Tomcat using system control. In order to do that, first, stop the Tomcat using shutdown script. Change ownership of Tomcat directory with -8 recursively. It never dereference symbolic links. If the file is a symlink, change the owner of the symlink, rather than the referenced file. Now go to system directory under etc/system. Create a file named Apache Tomcat Service, and paste the following configuration. You can find the configuration in the description below. Save and exit from the editor. Now reload the system control daemon. After that, you can able to start and stop Tomcat by using system control service. Here you can see the Tomcat has been started by using system control service. In the next video, we will see how to configure the user manager for the administrative task. Hope it is helpful and you like this tutorial. So, please like and subscribe our channel for the latest update. Thanks, have a good day.